Good day, ma'am. I'm Junior to repeal. This is my report. Rule 67 sanction against private security professionals. Section 339 purpose aims to rationalize administrative penalties scheduled in RA number 11917, requiring violation to be notified and heard after due notice. Section 340 sanction state that any private security professional's violation of ethical standard and code will be classified as slight, less grave, or grave offense. Section 341 light offense include improper use of uniform and accoutrement, profane language use, and act of discourteousness. Section 342 less grave offense include not having a licensed uniform in appropriate for position, violating 11 general orders, illegal firearm discharge, refusing law enforcement, abusive behavior, under intoxication, and other similar offense per existing law, rules, and regulation. Section 343 grave offense cover unauthorized use of uniform, firearms, and aiding criminals in line with existing law and regulation. Section 344 violation of PSTEAs and CSGF allow the chief of or his representative to impose administrative penalties or cancel, suspend, or not renew PSA, PSTA, or CGF licenses without prejudice to criminal prosecution. Section 346 classification of offense define offense committed by PSA, PSTA, and CG, including light offense like late record submission, posting unlicensed personnel, and violating existing law. Less grave offense include ordering security guard to conduct illegal searches, posting unlicensed personnel, and not wearing uniform. Grave offense involve serious violation. Section 347 penalties and fine for PAA, PSA, and PSTA and CGF. Outline penalties and fine for PSA and PSTA and CF found guilty of offense. Light offense result and fine of 50,000 for first offense and 10,000 for second offense and 15,000 or license revocation for third offense. Least grave offense result in fine of 10,000 and 20,000. Section 348 habitual offenders state that APSA and PSTA and CGF who commit the same offense 3 consecutive times and receive a fine will be subject to revocation or non-renewal of their license. Section 349 administrative fines for PSA. The PSA plans to impose administrative fines on PSPA for offense like wearing unprescribed uniform, posting security personnel without license, unauthorized deduction, and late submission of application and renewal requirements. Section 351 power and function of SOSIE license revocation board. The SOSIE license revocation board. SLRB is responsible for revocation, cancellation, or suspension of license, registration, and permit in the private security industry subject to SOSIA approval. Section 352 of the SLRB outline the suspension of a PSP license, stating that unless dismissed by their employer, they cannot receive their salary. During suspension, the agency must provide a substitute PSP to replace the suspended PSP, and this is information included in the monthly disposition report. If a PSP commit the same offense 3 times within their lifetime, their license can be cancelled subject to SLRB procedures. Section 353 status during suspension state that a suspended PSP cannot receive their salary during the suspension period unless legally dismissed. The agency must provide a substitute PSP to manage the position, and this information is included in the monthly disposition report. Section 354 habitual offender. The license of any PSP who commit the same offense as enumerated in section 347, 348, and 349 above, after having committed any offense under RA number 119174 at most 3 times within the lifetime of the same, shall be cancelled subject to the procedure and guideline prescribed by the SLRB as approved by Chief SOSIA.